the truth. Every scar, every line, it's proof. I'm here, I'm whole, I'm free. The only love I need is me. I'm unstoppable, can't break me down. I wear my crown, I own this town. Through the fire, I still rise. I'm the sun in my own skies. Used to doubt, used to hide, but now I walk with open pride. No apologies, no disguise. I'm the reason stars collide. Hear my voice, feel my power. This is my defining hour.
Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is your favorite Save Makoti, also known as Akuma, Mrs. Fanny.
Morning, Mama.
I'm Morning, guys. It's a beautiful Monday, but it's raining. We are on our way to drop into the client. Umyeni wakhe bemodele il-dress, naye was odele shirt. We're on our way to drop them, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do content kwabo. I'm just gonna drop the pictures zikamama. Ngiyabazotata ngibani becamera. The photo mama. So yeah, I'm on my way to drop into zikamafaka. Umafaka, I think niyamazi, you've seen her on my vlogs. So yeah, okay, guys, let's go. It's raining. Kodwa ke sibahle. Guys, thank you so much, man, for your support. Manditsho kwangoku nikalibali because once ndiphathe camera, oh hayi sana lam ndivele ndibani. Manditsho kwangoku, thank you so much. Abanye benyu, they sent imali zabo saying, sisi, buy something for your office, buy something for the company, tontoni iminikelo. Guys, thank you so much. Bengingabani ndithanda kangaka, ndiyabulela man. Thank you so much. Ngenye imali yomnye the order is speed point. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your love. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, masambeni. I think I'll attach your photos kamafako apha xa segqibula inxiba ndamfota yebo. So yeah, guys. Antemhle man, ayibo kanti yashine. Hlekano. I'm with my assistant Aluza. Awusemhle kule phone yezimali mntana? Because awukho nje xa ndithe live xa ndiyeke phone phansi.
I look beautiful.
Oh yes, bona mntana. Nele card le nto yasentloko ayiyakuhlala. Ayiyakuhlala. Baba yini ke, guys, let's go and drop these things and then sibuye siphangele libele ne business phone endlini, so at least indlela kwamafako idlula ngakwam, so I have to pass by my house to take la phone. Asambeni ke. to another day. Guys, it's Tuesday, and I decided to join a gym. Githi mina ngiyajima. Let's give this a try, guys. I'm so eager. Angikaze ngajima ebomini bami. It's gonna be my first time. Naletho mama izongena naye apha kabamfuna basebe busy sendi late zibekwa, guys. Dilihlazo shem. Andifuna ungatsho. The team enter a club, but let's go, guys. Let's go. First day, yeah, I won't be vlogging because wow, the week. So yeah, guys, let's go and gym. Hey guys, ndifika ke sana kanixheshanga lo sisi. Andinamanzi, andinathawuli, andina earphones, sethatha earphones zakhe ngo uzandiboleka. Zanitsho kalo nani bakufuneka ntoni? Equipment. Kodwa mandithenga impahla, qala lathenga impahla. Ngoku hayi sana. Ndinikwe nguntoshi la, ashushu. Thank you. Funa ndizithengele yasitsho. Zeze Bluetooth mos.
Zeze Bluetooth.
Uyayiva nansi ke cho. Hi guys, the first day I'm ejimini ngicela ivlog njani? Njani ngizohlisa amanqadi?
Babelela mngani wami sophumelela izwa ngami Bendonge yethu sinikiwe sobuya kusasa ngamanye amandla Oh Nkosi
Motivate indivusile ke sana. Mvusa ngabantu?
Ndikuvusa ngo-6 o'clock because I know uyakuthanda
Mna ndabamba. Funa ndingayifaki ku-silent
awayibamba
phone.
ifoni.
Funa ndingayifaki ku-silent cho.
Ufakela.
Kuba ngicela namba iclients ezifona ngo-12. So yeah guys. Hey guys. Andikatelanga. I just took a shower. I am now on my way to work. But I think next time I'll carry my stuff to the gym and then take a shower prior. This was my first day, guys. Please don't judge me. Because I didn't I didn't know it. I wanted to see imeko qala ithini, yabo. And now I think your chafis was endlini. I think I will carry my things and then take a shower prior and just from the gym to work straight. Because on the latest 10, I need to be at work at least around 8:30 or 9. I want to arrive early. So I'm hoping I'll make it by 7 o'clock at the gym. At least an hour is enough for me, guys. So an hour is enough for the class. In 30 minutes, 8:30 by 9 I go to work. At least because anyway go 8 my kids are cleaning so we start working at 9, so at least 9 bawelan betele at work. But guys bendipi depends on you call, but yeah benditi I think I'll carry my things. Yay, I think I'll carry my things, take a bath at the gym and then go to work. I'm not planning to arrive at work at 10. If you want, because if you want izinto zakho, if you want your business or your things, you should arrive early. I believe that. So yeah, guys, let's go to work. Let's go to work. Bye-bye.
There's a fire within, not waiting for permission. Step up, stand out. The moment is yours.
Own it, live it, wear your name bold No scripts, no limits, your story's gold Stand tall, be raw, let the world see Power's not given, it's claimed, it's free Pressure builds diamonds, so why hide? Your edges cut, your flaws collide. Every misstep, every climb is the making of your prime. Feel the pulse, hear the beat, it's the rhythm of your feet. The world doesn't define your pace, you're the force they'll chase. Own it, live it, wear your name bold. No scripts, no limits, your story's gold. Stand tall, be raw, let the world see. Power's not given, it's claimed, it's free. Lines don't cage you, rules don't fit. You're a rebel with a spark that won't quit. The cracks show the light breaking through. Not a flaw, it's the real you.
Good morning, good morning. Guys, this is again. And the late guys, 5:07. Kanti ngcolisa into shimdakabawundile xa u7 iklasi iyaqala ngoku, so masileqeni guys, let us rush ananexesha lo vlog lapha yini. Hayi undifumene namhlanje, hayi ziyakha izolo kanenzela, hayi why are you killing me? Uthi ngizoba ngifit makoti. YouTube channel yam so makoti and fit makoti.
Yes.
Guys, we are going to take a bath now and go to work.
Yeah.
No pain, no gain. Nanga amakhehlekazi e-gym. I didn't understand, guys. Why nihlele endlini? Like mama bathi. Why nihlele endlini? No, I didn't understand, guys. But don't feel like 7 floor. I'm upset, man. Thank you, mama. Kuthiwa manditye nto.
Yonke into iyavlogwa nje.
Guys, no. Kuthiwa yiplate le. Awuntosi undiphethe kakubi so.
You were the word at the beginning, one with God the Lord Most High.
When fully chest neck.
Oh.
So? I'm so leg.
Sayakotiza ke makuninganize amakhilinda kaGrisi.
Uright, yenza ukuthi xa uthatha imbiza usquat.
Yo.
Afuna ukupractice mfana John noba ubuthanda ntoni. Biwile into. Uyayeka ugoba ngalendlela. Asayeka kanje.
Hayi bathi makuthiwane emzini.
Hayi uright, wena ugoba right, uma yile le confidence ukuthi emzini. Naka ngizwa ukuthi lo phansi. Usquat.
Hayi niyazivela bethu. No problem that. Aluza. Cela ukube iloko sezikwihenga uze nazo sibone. Singahenga ngo7. Kaze neloko sezikwihenga mnta. Ndiyazibona ke zihenga zakho. Zivele zikhamise. Zivele zikhamise sana. Ndichilo nje makathenga ezeplastic ngoku. Uyazibona ezi? Hayi, azihlali nasesipilini noma ungazixhomamba. Ewe ziyabhena. Ndibe ndithini nani makathenga ezecingo because i-heavy ini. Hayi mntama azifuna udlala nto zawuphushuluka ezi zeplastic yakho. Yo. Thana nesemba kwecanga. I think ezinye ezasizosebenzisa ezihenga. Hayi. Songa sigobe kwala.
Kodwa zikhona lezi zeplastic eziqinileyo.
Ewe ne?
Zikhona lezi zeplastic eziqinileyo.
Thank you.
It is a hit. Like,
So show picture ma.
wow.
Go figure into it.
Yes. Wow. And I like this browners. First got I oily.
Nanze pa photo.
Oh, Sana, this is beautiful.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
measure it. Can I measure it?
Sihlale sinazo. Sihlale sinazo measurement.
Yes. Can I measure it?
Sengenangxaki leyo.
Emotion.
There is written your name.
Okay.
We can't give you order yomuntu ukuthi sonciphisa. No.
This is ayikho le lokwe.
Asifuna ufike wenze alteration ukude.
Oh, okay.
Awusashopisi kamanje.
This is nice. Oh my goodness.
I think we should do like collection yesiketi esibe nesinxibi or red beige ntontoni sibaxhoma.
Ukhona yo khona isibusiness.
I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace, by your grace.
Uyathenga. Yeah. You came to buy. Let me sort you out.
Don't wait till the stars fade. Don't wait till the light's gone. We've got this moment. Let's make it strong. Stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive. Right here, right now, we thrive. No promises for tomorrow, just the rhythm of tonight. We're dancing on the edge, underneath the pale moonlight. Hearts racing, time slows. A love like this, everybody knows it's fleeting, it's wild, it's free. So hold on tight to me, stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive. Right here, right now, we thrive. Hearts racing, time slows. A love like this, everybody knows it's fleeting, it's wild, it's free. So hold on tight to me, stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive. Right here, right now, we thrive. Every heartbeat's a confession, every touch a sweet obsession. Don't need words, just the way you breathe. It's you and me, our legacy. Stay with me, don't let go. Feel the fire, let it grow. In your arms, I'm alive. Right here, right now, we thrive. If the world falls apart, I'll still choose your heart. Stay with me, stay with me. Forever's in this melody. Angaze ngigcwale the way ngigcwala ngakhona. Angaze ngithande umuntu the way ngimthanda ngakhona. Nhliziyo yami shaya kancane, amehlo wakho ayangibulala. Ngiyasifela, mina ngiyasifela, ngiyasifela thando lwakho. Ngiyasifela, mina ngiyasifela, ngiyasifela thando lwakho. Ibheshu likhuluma indaba. Awubheka ibheshu likhuluma indaba. Insizwa siphelele, insizwa siphelele, insizwa siphelele, siphelele. Ngiyasifela, mina ngiyasifela, lwakho.
Akusiwona uhlelo bema navele ngachazeka. Akusiwona uhlelo bema navele ngachameka. Akusibona uhlelo bema navele ngachazeka. Ashela ntizomzulu yabika amagama amnandi ngavele ngathatheka. Nashela ntizomzulu yabika amagama amnandi ngavele ngathatheka.
Thina sithi Nkosi, sibaba